So, on my drive back south, I stopped and saw there was a scenic overlook over there. So, just as I was going past it, I saw all these elephant seals. I've never seen elephant seals in the wild, but they're freaking enormous. They're really loud. Anyway, I thought I would stop and take a look. Trying to block the sun a little bit, but they're really loud. There we go. And apparently they like super freaking cold water way more than I do. It's probably about maybe 30-ish degrees air temperature right now. So it's yeah, it's pretty freaking cold. So anyway, yeah, those are pretty cool.